In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share a Stripe payment link. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. In that menu, click on Payment Links. This will take you to the section where all of your existing payment links are stored. Next, find the payment link that you want to share. Click on that link to open it. You will then see the payment link details page. Take a moment to review the details carefully. This helps confirm that you have selected the correct link before sending it to anyone. You can check the product, pricing, and any other information shown on the page. When you are ready to share it, look for the Copy URL option next to the payment link. Click Copy URL. After you click it, give it a moment to copy the link to your clipboard. Once that is done, the payment link is ready to be pasted wherever you want to share it. Now open the app or platform where you want to send the link. This could be an email app, a messaging platform, or a social media site. Go to the message post or conversation where you want to place the payment link. Then paste the copied Stripe payment link into your message. Before sending or publishing anything, review the message carefully. Make sure the payment link appears correctly and that there are no missing characters or formatting issues. This is an important step because it helps ensure the recipient will be able to open the link without any problems. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and send the message or publish the post. At this point, the recipient can click the shared Stripe payment link and be taken directly to the Stripe checkout page. As a final check, verify that recipients can access the Stripe checkout page using the link you shared. You can do this by testing the link yourself or confirming that it opens properly when received. This helps make sure the sharing process worked as expected and that your customers or recipients will have a smooth checkout experience. Sharing a Stripe payment link is a simple process once you know where to find it and how to copy and paste it correctly. By following these steps, you can quickly send payment links through the platform that works best for you. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.